Today, I want to go over 3 must-have Shopify apps to increase your sales and boost your revenue. These are typically the first 3 things that I focus on when setting up a new store. So consider installing these on your own store if you don't have them already. My name's Alex, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we're just here in the Shopify App Store and I'm going to search for each app, explain why I chose it, and we'll go over the details of each. So the first app that I think everybody needs on their Shopify stores are some sort of reviews app, and there's definitely a bunch of great options on here. Now there's Luke's right here. They're very affordable based on their pricing plans. They're very professional looking, and I have nothing but good things to say about Luke's. I know a lot of people and a lot of brands that use Luke's to house their reviews. But also, if you guys are just getting started and you don't have enough customers to go through and leave reviews yet, and you want to import some for the social proof aspect or to boost your sales, you guys can actually import reviews directly from AliExpress or Amazon or Etsy or really any similar website. So there's a bunch of apps on here with free plans that allow you to do that. We'll go ahead and check out this app really quickly right here. So as you guys can see, you guys have the reviews on all of your product pages. It's very professional and clean looking. It shows the product reviews on a Google search, so you guys have SEO options available on here. Like I said, it imports reviews from a lot of the major platforms, and we'll scroll through and look at the pricing really quickly. So for the free plan, you guys can import up to 20 reviews for 50 products. That's actually a very good free plan. That's a lot more than most free plans on these review apps that I see available. I actually just made a video talking about how to import reviews directly from AliExpress or Amazon, and this plan actually looks a lot cheaper than the app that I discussed in that video. But go ahead and check that out if you want to know more about importing reviews and the benefits of doing so and everything else. But definitely you need a review app to build trust with your customers. If they see that nobody has reviewed any items on your store, they might turn elsewhere and find one of your competitors instead. So for the basic $6.99 a month, you guys get 200 reviews for 400 products or 500 for 1,000 products for $9.99 a month, and then you guys get unlimited reviews, access to greater customer support and everything else with the $19.99 a month plan. So this is definitely a great app to get started. You guys should be importing reviews or having customers place reviews on your store, as it is a great way to build trust, have social proof on your store, and like I already said, promote those sales. Okay, so essential app number 2 is some form of email marketing. Now I'm not talking about just basic promotional emails or order confirmation emails like Shopify already does for you, but we're talking about more advanced marketing tools where it's really just an automated revenue source on top of everything else that you already have going. Now we're talking about pop-up forms, list building, welcome series, abandoned cart emails, customer win backs, and upsells, and everything else to do with those. Now there's a ton of great tools and integrations on Shopify that allow you to do all of this. There's some major names like Klaviyo or MailChimp and a ton of free options as well. I personally use Klaviyo on all of my brands. They have some great marketing tools. It's easy to set up, it's easy to use, it's very affordable, and they have a free plan available to help you get started depending on where you're at. So let's take a look at the Klaviyo page right here, and I'll discuss why I use it and what it can do for you guys. So scrolling down, like I said, there's a ton of cool features with this. This has automations that earn you money while you sleep. Like I said, it's just an automated revenue source. And oftentimes, email marketing will be your best return on investment. It's your best source of marketing. A lot of the features that I like with this app, Klaviyo, are the pop-up forms. When you go on a website for a certain amount of time, they offer you some type of incentive for your email address. So I often offer 5 or 10% off your purchase. And I collect those customers' emails so I can market to them in the future. There's also advanced abandoned cart email sequences, so you guys can send multiple abandoned cart emails to win back customers that would have oftentimes forgot about your store. There's SMS marketing, so you guys can actually send text messages to your customers and market to them that way. And like I said, the plans on here are very affordable. So for free, you guys can get up to 250 contacts, 50 SMS contacts, or for $20 a month, you guys get up to 500 email contacts and 150 SMS contacts, and those plans increase in price as you grow. But like I said, with this being one of your best returns on investment, it really pays for itself and more in the long run. Okay, so the third and final must-have Shopify app is some form of post-purchase upsells. So what these do is it's a great source for additional revenue. Once again, just like the email marketing, you guys will upsell similar products or the same product with different quantity discounts if they buy more. You're selling to warmed up customers as they are showing that they are already ready to spend as they just made a purchase with your brand. They're warmed up and you guys can actually get them to spend a little bit more on their purchases, increasing your average order value or your AOV by cross-promoting these products. So there are a ton of different apps on here that allow you to do the same thing. I've used a lot of these, I've tested them out, and I have great things to say about many of them. One app that I'm pretty familiar with is this Honeycomb upsell and cross-sell, so we'll check this out really quick. But like I said, don't be limited to just one. Go through each one, read the description, look at the different pricing options, see which one meets your needs and which one you guys would like to use on your store the best based on setup, pricing, and everything else. So with this one right here, like I said, it increases your average order value. You guys are selling more with upsell funnels in place. Here's the different options available on the upsells. So there's upsell funnels right here. Anywhere on your store, you guys can do different quantity breaks. You guys can have one-click upsells right here. You guys can customize them to meet your brand. There's really unlimited options with this right here, and we'll go through and look at the pricing really quick. So for the free plan, you guys can have 100 monthly funnel views, so 100 sales per month pretty much, going through these funnels and looking at all of your different upsells. For 2,000 monthly funnel views, you guys are paying $49.99 a month, but based on 2,000 people going through and your conversion rates based on that, you guys should make way more than that on that small investment. Same thing moving over, 5,000 monthly views is $99.99 a month, and then $150 a month for 10,000 monthly funnel views. But like I said, this will be one of your best sources of revenue, and it really should pay all of itself back and then some. By installing these today, your store should see a significant increase in revenue over time when used correctly. If this video helped you out, consider leaving a like, sharing, and subscribing for more. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below for you guys. Feel free to check those out, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.